back to my channel. I'm back again with another video. So today you can see that something's different. I have my afro out for this video because that is the appropriate hairstyle for what I'm about to talk about. So today, just like the title indicates, you already know what is going on. I hope you have your afro out and your pens ready to jut some knowledge. Okay, that was stupid. Anyways, I'm going to keep this video short and simple, okay? I'm just going to give basic tips to help you, help us, all of us together take care and maintain healthy hair. This video is not for only girls. It's going to be somewhat gender neutral because I acknowledge that guys also like to keep natural hair. Tip 1. The first thing you should know if you're trying to keep natural hair or you're trying to have healthy hair and maintain healthy hair, first thing you should know, baby girl or baby boy, is you have to do your research because everyone's hair is different. You can't just listen to what someone said, or someone said, oh, I use this for my hair and it works. Yeah, maybe there are some things that generally works for everyone, but try do your research for yourself. Tip 2. This is after you have done your research. Yeah, you need to get your products, your basic products, the products for your hair. After you have researched on your hair, the type of hair you have and what's good for your hair and what outcome do you want, like volume, length, texture, anything, find the product that is good for your hair and get those products. Wash day. Tip 3. Wash day. Do not skip wash days. I am guilty of this. I think the longest I've gone is like 2 months without washing my hair. Do not skip wash days, and if you are really forgetful, I advise that you set reminders. Yeah, and me personally, my wash days are once every 2 weeks now, not before we don't know what wash day is. Okay, so advise you wash hair once every 2 weeks. But if you're the type that you put a lot of products in your hair, then wash it once every week. Tip 4. Tip 4. Give up damaging hairstyles, sis or bro, if you make your hair. Do not do hairstyles that damage your hair. Any hairstyle that consists of a lot of heat, chemical, or them hairstyles that will be grabbing your edges, do not do that. It seems like, oh, it's not that much of a big deal, it's just hair or the hair repair itself, but no, if you consistently do this kind of hairstyles on your hair, it can actually change your hair to be fewer or thinner or something like that. It sharp damages your hair over time. Tip 5. Okay, so this is one thing I started doing recently is I learned not to leave out my hair like this, like how it is now. I learned not to leave it out if I'm not going anywhere or I'm staying home for a long period of time. I should put it in braids. So if you are like this, or if you're a wig person, you like wearing wigs, I advise you keep your hair in cornrows. Take out the cornrows every week and then redo them, wearing your wig. It just, for me personally, for my hair, it keeps my hair, it keeps in the moisture, not leaving it out like this, because if I leave it out like this for days, it gets really dry and it starts breaking. Another tip you should know, by now I've actually lost count, I think I'm like in the 6th tip, but another tip is if you are doing braids on your hair, where though? I feel like I've only been talking for the girls and I said this was going to be gender neutral, but boys do braids, right? Yeah, Sha. When you want to put your hair inside box braids or braids in protective styles, Ghana weaving or any of that, make sure you give your hair sufficient moisture. Not those creams that they use in the salons. No. Have your own, maybe shea butter, coconut oil, something. Coconut oil is only oil. You need water and then you need oil. So maybe hair lotions. So get natural hair lotions that are good for your hair and moisturize your hair before putting them into box braids. This one, the next tip, I am very guilty of it until recently. Recently, I'm actually changing. I'm turning a new leaf recently. So this one you should know, baby girl or baby boy. Do not dry detangle your hair. And if your hair is really tangled up and you haven't combed it in a while, which you shouldn't have done that in the first place. I've gone days without combing my hair, and what I learned is that do not ever dry detangle your hair. If you're trying to detangle your hair or you're trying to comb your hair out and you haven't combed it in a while or it's really stiff, wet the hair. Just like what I do is I wet my hand and then pull out on the braids strands of the hair, like just loosen it up with my wet hand, and then the hair becomes damp and then I comb it. It won't be too wet, it will be damp. You can still carry it around your day and then let it just air dry naturally. So never dry detangle your hair. And if you want to braid or something, you want to put your hair into a braid after leaving it out like this, cut it into sections, then comb it damp. Never do it dry. Comb it damp. Me, I have short hair, so I don't really need to cut it into sections. If you have fuller hair, I think that'll be best for you. Next tip, this one it's pretty obvious, is water is your friend. Water, like, you know when they say drink water and mind your business, or stay hydrated. Yes, water is your friend in every area of your life, for your skin, for your health, and even health of your hair. Water is your friend. Trust me, trust me, trust me. And also your diet. This, I don't know, I haven't experienced the extent of how your diet affects your hair growth, but I have read that your diet does affect hair growth. So the next tip is not really a tip, but it's an advice. Be patient, baby steps. You just be consistent. As long as you know you are doing the right thing, keep doing it. You can't just start, or you want to start taking care of your hair, and then 1 week later, after taking care of your hair, doing it every day, 1 week, and you still don't see a difference, you're now like, I beg, forget all of this. Where's my relaxer, Jerry? I'm tired. No, be patient. Some people's hair take longer to readjust to our methods than other people's hair. My hair didn't really take much time, and that's a blessing. I am so grateful to God for giving me amazing hair. Okay, while on that topic, I don't want to separate this second tip from the last tip, but this next tip is just, do not feed yourself with the society definition of good hair. Like, I don't know why people say, oh, this is good hair, oh, your hair isn't that great, or you need to do something to your hair. No, as long as it's what is growing out from your scalp, baby girl, your hair is good hair. And also taking care of it. I can't call your hair good hair if you keep damaging it. You know, we both know that hair isn't good hair. But anyways, if it's what is coming out of your scalp, just embrace your hair. So all this time I've been talking about maintaining healthy hair or maintaining your natural coils. Let me now just give a tip for if your hair is already damaged. You have already lived a lifestyle that damaged your hair. Now it's not too late to start. No matter how old you are, trust me, no matter how old you are, it's not too late to start. Just rain is falling. It's going to start sounding in the video, the rain. So I had to wait until the rain stopped. So let me continue from where I stopped. I was talking about don't be afraid of a big chop, okay? Even if it seems some people it's very scary to just chop off their hair and start again. But if you notice, or you already have your roots already like natural and stuff, I advise maybe you chop it off a little and then have your big, then chop it off little by little. You can do that, but it's best to just chop it off all at once, and you can really maintain and keep track of your hair. So I'm just going to round off with this, like not exactly round off sharp, but I want to like point out that most of the time what you see physically is as a result of your mental state or your state of mind. So like don't go hating on your hair. Don't feed, like I said before, don't feed yourself with the society definition of good hair and stuff like that. Just keep yourself in the right state of mind, and don't be too focused on, oh, is my hair better now, is my hair better now. Every two days you'll be checking the length, you'll be checking the volume. No, give your hair, give your curls room to breathe. Just appreciate your hair, and your hair will appreciate you back, honey. Like, I've come to the end of this video. Why am I always a clown? Why am I always a clown? I don't like clown. I'm always clowning. Okay. So I've come to the end of this video. I kept it short and simple. For some people, it may not be short. Miane. That's, I'm sorry, in Korean. I'm not sure. So anyways, for some people, it may not be short, but I really do hope you took some tips out of this video and start using it for your crown, sis or bro, whoever is watching this. Okay, please comment down below which tips you already use or which tips you will start using. Okay, let me know. I really read all my comments because the comments are not much anyway. Sometimes they are non-existent, but I read all my comments. So comment down below which tips you already use and which tips you will be using. Thank you for watching it to the end. Thank you so much. Okay, remember, you nice, keep going. Bye.